Hi. Learn English by Bit here. Today, I am going to give you some of the tips when you're planning to start learning English. First, answer your 3 whys. These are 1. Why English? 2. Why am I learning English? 3. How English language would help me. Second, time and effort. Learning a language is like eating your meal. You have to be consistent in order to function your body. Same as to learning, you have to be consistent for you. To remember and retain on what you have learned, you need to schedule of learning English. We all busy. All day, especially when we have work and school. But you must find a time of the day when you can learn English. It could be at lunchtime or before going to bed at night. It doesn't need to be 1 hour study. At least 30 minutes is an ideal time. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more English tips and vocabularies.